problems. The necessary and sufficient condition for a differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. To be exact is that dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. We have to find the dou m by dou y and the dou n by dou x separately, and if they are equal, then we say that the differential equation mdx plus ndy is exact. For the exact differential equation, the general solution is just integrate the given differential equation. Integral mdx plus integral ndy is equal to c, where c is the constant. By integrating, at the time of integration at dx, we have to take y constant, y treated as constant. Integral ndy, here in this place, we have to take only y terms. That means terms not having x. X లేని terms మాత్రమే ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ ఒకసారి పాలిటెక్నిక్ లో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాడు. ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ గా అడిగాడు. ది నెసెసరీ అండ్ సఫిషియంట్ కండిషన్ ఫర్ ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ది నెసెసరీ అండ్ sufficient condition for the differential equation dx is equal to minus n by m into dy. To be exact is, okay, this is the question. The options manaku do m by different options. Now this equation can be written as, simply we can write it as mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, so that it is in the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. So this is exact. The condition is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Direct question, polytechnic lectures lo adigaru. Now I am taking next problem. DL, the solution of the exact equation. The solution of the exact equation. The equation is 2x by y cube into dx plus y square minus 3x square by y power 4 dy is equal to 0. This is the exact equation. Now first option, x square minus y square is equal to cy cube. Second option, x square minus y cube is equal to cy cube. Third option, x square plus y square is equal to cy cube. And fourth option, x square plus y cube is equal to cy cube. Now already we are given it is an exact equation. Whenever it is an exact equation, we can directly integrate the given differential equation. 2x by y cube into dx plus integral. Here we can separate the fraction. First term is 1 by y power 2 minus second term is 3x square by y power 4 into dy is equal to c. Now the condition here, y constant, here only y terms, So 1 by 2 by y cube is constant term, and x derivative integration x square by 2, and 1 by y square integration minus 1 by y is equal to c. Here 2 will be cancelled, and LCM y cube x square minus y square is equal to cy cube. This is the general solution. So second option is the right option. Now I'm taking next problem. the solution of e to the power of y plus 1 into cos x dx plus e to the power of y sin x dy is equal to 0 is polytechnic question అండి. Now options, first option e power y plus 1 into cos x is equal to c. Second option e to the power of y minus 1 into cos x is equal to c. Third option e to the power of y plus 1 into sin x is equal to c. And the fourth option e to the power of y minus 1 into sin x is equal to c. So compare this differential equation with m dx plus n dy. Here m value e to the power of y plus 1 into cos x, and to differentiate this, partial differentiate this with respect to y, we get e to the power of y differentiation e to the power of y, cos x is constant, one differentiation 0. Similarly, here n is equal to e to the power of y into sin x, and differentiate this with respect to x, we get to dou n by dou x is equal to e to the power of x into e to the power of y into cos x. Both are equal. So now integrate the given differential equation. E to the power of y plus 1 into cos x dx plus integral e to the power of y into sin x dy is equal to c. Here we know that y constant, here we have only y terms to be integrated. So here e to the power of y plus 1 is constant and cos x integration is sin x. Here there is no y terms, only y terms. It contains x and y. So no need to integrate the second term. So this is equal to c. So our option is 3. E to the power of y plus sin x, e to the power of y plus 1 into sin x equal to c. Now I am taking next problem. The solution of y sin 2x, the solution of y sin 2x minus of 1 plus y square cos square x dx is equal to 0. Now first option, y sin 2x plus y sin 2x plus 2y plus 2 by 3 y cube is equal to c. Second option, y cos 2x plus 2y plus 2 by 3 y cube is equal to c. And the third option, y sin 2x minus 2y minus 2 by 3 y cube is equal to c. And the fourth option, y cos 2x minus 2y minus 2 by 3 y cube is equal to c. Now here y into sin 2x into dx species. So here this is the m value, and dou m by dou y value
అక్కడ dy ఉండాలి dx dy.
here dy. Okay. And here m equal to y sin 2x and dou m by dou y is equal to sin 2x. And here n is equal to minus of 1 plus y square cos square x. Now differentiate with respect to x partially. So minus of this is 0, this is 0. Now cos square x differentiation minus 2 cos x into sin x. So this is equal to 2 sin a cos a formula, that is sin 2x. So dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x both are equal. So this given equation is exact. Now integrate on given differential equation. So integral y sine 2x into dx minus integral 1 plus y square plus cos square x into dy is equal to c. Here y constant and here only y terms. So y constant means y into sine 2x differential integration minus cos 2x by 2 minus only y terms means one is constant dy integration is y and y square integration y cube by 3. Here no y terms, so that is equal to c. So here we can take minus common, y cos 2x by 2 minus y, sorry, plus y plus y cube by 3 is equal to c. So we can write y cos 2x plus 2y plus 2 by 3 y cube is equal to c. This is the ఇక్కడ మైనస్ సి అని రాసి వస్తుంది, ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి సి అని రాసుకోండి. సో సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆప్షన్. ఓకే, నౌ టేక్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఫ్రమ్ JL. The differential equation dy by dx plus ax plus hy plus g divided by hx plus by plus f equal to 0 is. Here we have four options. First option, homogeneous. Second option, non-linear. Third option, exact. And the fourth option, non-exact. Now clearly this differential equation contains constant term g and f, so it is not homogeneous term. Now it is a linear differential equation. Okay, so linear differential equation, so it is non-linear అనేది రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. Now exactness check చేయాలి. Now we are writing this differential equation as hx plus by plus f into dy plus ax plus hy plus g into dx is equal to 0. Here m is equal to ax plus hy plus g dx coefficient, so that dou m by dou y is equal to h, and n is equal to dy coefficient, that is hx plus by plus f, so that dou n by dou x is equal to h. Both are equal, dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x are both are equal, so that the given differential equation is exact. Non-exact అనేది రాంగ్. ఓకే, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ జేలో అడిగానండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, the solution of x square minus 4xy minus 2y square into dx plus y square minus 4xy minus 2x square into dy is equal to 0 is. Now we can write the m value M is, this is the M. Okay, directly we can write this is M. From this, we can find the dou M by dou Y value. So dou M by dou Y is equal to, we are doing partial differentiation with respect to Y. So x square derivative 0 minus 4x minus 4y. And here this is the value n. So dou n by dou x is equal to, we are doing with respect to x partial differentiation. So minus 4y minus 4y minus 4x. So both are equal. So the given differential equation is exact. Whenever it is exact, we can find the solution by integrating direct. My x square minus 4xy minus 2y square into dx plus integral y square minus 4xy minus 2x square into dy is equal to c. Now we know the condition here, y constant, and here only y terms we have to integrate. Now y constant means here x square integration x cube by 3 minus here 4x integration 2x square y constant, and here 2y square constant, so we get to 2xy square. Here only we have to integrate y terms, so y square integration y cube by 3, that is equal to c. So we can write x cube minus 6x square y minus 6xy square plus y cube is equal to arbitrary constant 3c is nothing but c. Therefore, we can write x cube minus 6xy of x plus y plus y cube is equal to c. This is the general solution. Now, options, first option ఏముందంటే x cube plus y cube plus 6xy of x plus y is equal to c. Second option, x cube plus y cube minus 6xy of x plus y is equal to c. And the third option, x cube minus y cube minus 6xy of x plus y is equal to c. And the fourth option, x cube minus y cube plus 6xy of x plus y is equal to c. These are the four options. So our second option is the right option. Okay. Now I am taking next problem. It is a civil service question. If the differential equation differential equation xy power 4 plus y square into dx plus k into x square y cube plus xy plus y power 5 into dy is equal to 0 is exact, then the value of k, is, now option 1 is 0, option 2 is 1, option 3 is 2, option 4 is 3. Now we are given exact, so we have to equate to dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. From that we can find the k value. First I am writing m, that is x y power 4 plus y square, and dou m by dou y is equal to 4xy cube plus 2y Now we can take 2 common here, 2x y cube, or okay, no need to take common. This is 4x y cube 2y, and n is equal to k of x square y cube plus xy plus y power 5. So dou n by dou x is equal to k into 2x y cube plus y. Okay, y differentiation, y power 5 differentiation 0. So we can take here 2 common. So 2x y cube plus y. So when we are equating these two, dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, the term is common. This is the common. So it will be cancel. So k is equal to here k, here 2. Therefore, k is equal to 2. This is the k value. Okay. Now our option, third option is the right option. Now I am taking one question from Polytechnic lectures. The values of lambda such that 2x e power y plus 3y square into dy by dx plus 3x square plus lambda into e to the power of y is equal to 0 is exact. Now first option 0, second option 1, third option 2, and the fourth option 3. Okay, we have to find the lambda value for that given differential equation is exact. First of all, I am writing the given differential equation as 2x into e to the power of y plus 3y square into dy plus 3x square plus lambda e to the power of y dx is equal to 0. So compare this differential equation with the m dx plus m dy is equal to 0. This is the value m. So from this we can find dou m by dou y value. Dou m by dou y value 0 plus lambda e to the power of y. Simply I am writing lambda e to the power of y. Lambda e to the power of y. And this is the
Lambda equal to 2.
Yes, and lambda equal to 2. So dou n by dou x is equal to here 2 e to the power of y. So when both are equal, we can get lambda is equal to 2. Okay, this is polytechnic question. Okay, now I am taking next problem. The solution of r plus sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta into dr plus r into sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta d theta is equal to 0 is. Now it is jam question. Now we have options. First option r square by 2 minus r into sin theta minus, sorry, one second, square by 2 plus r into sin theta minus cos theta is equal to c. And the third option r square by 2 minus r into sin theta plus cos theta is equal to C. And the fourth option, r square by 2 plus r into sin theta minus cos theta is equal to C. Here it is not in the form of mdx plus mdy is equal to 0, but we can replace r as x and theta as y. So it is in the form of mdx plus mdy equal to 0. So here m equal to r plus sin theta minus cos theta. So we have to differentiate m dx term with respect to y partial. So m with respect to theta partial. So we get to dou m by dou theta value as cos theta plus sin theta. Similarly, here n is equal to the coefficient of d theta, that is r of sin theta plus cos theta. So differentiate n with respect to r. So this is equal to r differentiation 1 into sin theta plus cos theta. So both are equal, dou m by dou theta is equal to dou n by dou r. Therefore, the given equation is exact. Whenever it is exact, we can find the solution by integrating the given differential equation. So integral r plus sin theta minus cos theta into dr plus integral r into sin theta plus cos theta into d theta is equal to arbitrary constant c. Here at dx we have to take y constant. So here y means theta. Here theta constant. Theta constant. Here we have to integrate only theta terms. Only theta. Only y means only theta. So theta constant means r different integration is r square by 2 plus sin theta minus cos theta constant, sin theta minus cos theta constant. Integration of dr is r. Here only theta terms not there, so no need to integrate. So this is equal to c. Therefore, our option is r square by 2 plus r into sin theta minus cos theta. This is the option. Okay, correct option. Now these are the problems from previous question papers. I am giving some problems we may solve. First problem, the solution of e power y dx plus x into e to the power of y plus 2y into dy. 2y into dy is equal to 0. Okay, is. Okay, I am not giving options. And second one, the solution of x plus y whole square into dx minus of y square minus 2xy minus x square into dy is equal to 0 is. And third one, the solution of sin x into cos y plus e to the power of 2x into dx plus cos x into sin y plus tan y into dy is equal to 0 is. And one more problem, the solution of the solution of y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y into dx plus x plus log x minus x sin y dy is equal to 0 is. Okay. These are the problems related to exact equations. Okay. Now, if the differential equation is in the form the first order and the first degree differential equation mdx plus mdy is equal to 0 is exact. The necessary and sufficient condition is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Now we can find the solution by direct integration where dx at dx we have to take y constant, at dy we have to integrate only y terms. Now if the differential equation mdx plus ndy not satisfies dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x condition. That means if dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x, then this differential equation is called non-exact differential equation. So we can convert non-exact differential equation into exact differential equation by multiplying suitable function. That function may be constant or function of xy or constant. Okay, this suitable function is called integrating factor. Okay, the first order and first degree differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is not exact. It can be always be made exact by multiplying some function. That function is called integrating factor. Now integrating factor is simply we can write if. Okay. Now this differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 always as an integrating factor. Okay, for every differential equation in the form mdx plus ndy, it is exact or non-exact. If it is exact, the integrating factor is 1. If it is exact, integrating factor is 1. If it is not exact, it may be, we need to find that. Okay, and the integrating factor is not unique. It's not unique means there are infinite number of integrating factors for given differential equation. Okay, సరే పాలిటెక్నిక్ లో ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ అడిగా. ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే every equation of the form mdx plus ndy as an integrating factor, always as an integrating factor, and the differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 as possess an infinite number of integrating factors. The integrating factor is not unique. Okay, ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ మనకు పాలిటెక్నిక్ లో అడిగాడండి. The differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 possesses dash number of integrating factors. Integrating factors. First option finite. Second option exactly 1. And the third option, exactly 2. Exactly 2. And fourth option, infinite. Okay, infinite. The infinite is the right option. Okay, polytechnic lo ide question direct adigadu. Differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 possesses an infinite number of integrating factors. Okay, and there is no general method. There is no general method to find integrating factor. There is no general method to find integrating factor. Okay, we can find by taking some conditions. Okay, but it is exactly ఇదే మెథడ్ లో చేయాలని ఏం రూల్ లేదండి. సమ్ టైమ్స్ మెథడ్ 1 ఆర్ మెథడ్ 2 ఇలా కూడా మనం అంటే డిఫరెంట్ గా కూడా చేయడానికి వీలు. ఎందుకంటే ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అనేది సేమ్ ఒకటే ఉండదు, డిఫరెంట్ చాలా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మనం ఏదైనా ఒకటి పికప్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఆ పికప్ చేసుకున్న దాన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం గివెన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే అప్పుడు గివెన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది నాన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ నుండి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ సో వి సే దట్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో జనరల్ మెథడ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. ఓకే, మనకు సిలబస్ లో కొన్ని మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అందులో ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ మెథడ్, మెథడ్ 1. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయడానికంటే ముందు నేను ఒక ప్రాబ్లం తీసుకుంటాను. ఇది డిఎల్ రీసెంట్ గా డిఎల్ అడిగాడండి. ఇది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో డిఎల్ రీసెంట్ డిఎల్ అడిగాడు. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్, which of the following differential equation is not exact equation, is not exact equation. There are 4 options ichadu. First option, e to the power of y plus 1 into cos x dx plus e to the power of y into sin x dy is equal to 0. And second option, x into 1 plus y square dx plus y into 1 plus x square dy is equal to 0. And third option, y sin 2x dx is equal to y square plus cos square x into dy. And the fourth option, x square y dx is equal to x cube plus y cube dy. Okay, 4 options ichadu. Which of the following is not exact equation? చెప్పండి సార్, ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి.
Fourth one, sir. Fourth one. Fourth one.
Fourth one is the correct option. Okay, ఆల్రెడీ ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తాం కదా మనం. ఇక్కడ dou m by dou y is equal to what? E to the power of y cos x. And dou n by dou x is equal to e to the power of y cos x. First option exact అవుతుంది. Next, we see the second one. Here dou m by dou y is equal to 1 plus y square. Here y square constant. We are differentiate with respect to what? X constant. So y means here 2x1. And dou n by dou x is equal to here y constant, x square differentiation 2x into y is 2x1. ఇది కూడా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఇది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది కూడా చేసాం మనం, కాకుండా ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, 1 లేదు. Now here dou m by dou y is equal to sin 2x, direct we can write. And dou n by dou x is equal to y square differentiation 0 cos here minus ఇది లోనికి తీసుకురండి. ఫస్ట్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ y square plus cos square x into dy ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అవుతుంది. మైనస్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి cos square x differentiation 2 cos x into minus sin x is nothing but 2 sin x cos x, that is equal to sin 2x. Now here m is equal to this. and dou m by dou y is equal to x square, and n is equal to minus of x cube plus y cube. So dou n by dou x is equal to minus 3y square. Sorry, minus 3x square. Okay, these two are not equal, so our option is right. Fourth one is the right option. Okay, the problem recently got added. Now non-exact లో first method కింద method 1, it is called inspection method. Method 1 by inspection. ఈ మెథడ్ అప్లై చేయడానికంటే ముందు అప్లై చేయాలంటే మనకు కొన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ ఐడియా ఉండాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డి ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ వై is equal to uv formula x into dy plus y into dx. డైరెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ m equal to y అవుతుందండి. n is equal to x, dou m by dou y ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే 1 వస్తుంది, dou n by dou x ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే 1 వస్తుంది. సో గివెన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ is exact. So here integrating factor is 1. Okay, for this differential equation. So ఇలా ఇది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అయింది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఈ విధంగా రాసుకుంటాం, d of xy. ఓకే, సో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం డైరెక్ట్ ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ మెథడ్ లో ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ మెథడ్ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, నేను కొన్ని లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్ములాస్ మీకు డిస్ప్లే చేస్తాను నేను. ఓకే, ఇవి కనిపించండి. ఓకే, క్లారిటీగా రావట్లేదు. ఓకే, ఇది మీకు నేను పీడిఎఫ్ పంపిస్తానండి ఫార్ములాస్. నా ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఏంటి డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములాస్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేస్తాం, ఆ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ యొక్క సొల్యూషన్ వస్తుంది. కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ది ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ the integrating factor of y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Now clearly it is non-exact, where m is equal to y and dou m by dou y is equal to 1, n is equal to minus x, dou n by dou x is equal to minus 1. If we multiply this differential equation with 1 by y square, so what happens here? Y dx minus x dy by y square is equal to 0. So this differential equation can be written as d of x by y is equal to 0. సో ఇలా రాసామనుకోండి, ఇది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ డిఎక్స్ కోఫిషియంట్ 1 by y అవుతుంది, అండ్ డివై కోఫిషియంట్ x by y స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. డివై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. m ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by y కాబట్టి dou m by dou y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 1 by y స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది, అండ్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ x by y స్క్వేర్. సో dou n by dou x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 1 by y స్క్వేర్, 1 by y స్క్వేర్. సో for this differential equation, y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. 1 by y square is the integrating factor. Okay, so we can integrate this. We get x by y is equal to c. Therefore, x is equal to cy is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay. Now I am taking one problem. The general solution of the general solution of x dx plus y dy plus x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square is equal to 0 is first option x square plus y square plus tan inverse y by x is equal to c, and the second option x square plus y square minus tan inverse y by x is equal to c, and the third option x square plus y square plus 2 tan inverse y by x is equal to c, and the fourth option x square plus y square is equal to 2 times of tan inverse y by x plus c. Okay, here is equal to అండి. First I'm writing x dx plus y dy as this, and this can be written as d of tan inverse y by x. This is the formula that is equal to 0. So now directly integrate here. When we integrating, we can write c here. So x square by 2, here y square by 2 plus tan inverse integration of dx formula x. So integration of d of tan inverse y by x is equal to tan inverse y by x, that is equal to c. Now x square plus y square plus 2 tan inverse y by x is equal to 2c is nothing but c. This is the third option is the right option. Okay, ఈ ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ మెథడ్లో ఈ ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ y dx minus x dy by x square plus y square ఉంది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు tan inverse x by y వస్తుంది. ఓకే, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇది జైల్లో అడిగాడండి ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఆల్సో దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం polytechnic lecturers. The solution of x dy minus y dx is equal to a square of a of x square plus y square d1 is option 1 tan inverse x by y, tan inverse x by y is equal to ay plus c. Second option tan inverse y by x is equal to ay plus c, and third option tan inverse y by x is equal to ax plus c, and fourth option tan inverse x by y is equal to ax plus c. Okay, now this differential equation, first you have to divide with the x square plus y square here. So this can be written as x dy minus y dx divided by x square plus y square, that is equal to a into dy. Now integrate on this can be written as d of y by x, d of y by x, x into dy minus y into dx by x square plus y square form. Sorry,
D of tan inverse y by x.
Yes. This is d of tan inverse y by x, that is equal to a into dy. Now integrate on both sides. So this value is tan inverse y by x is equal to ay plus c. So second option is the right option. Okay, ఇదే మోడల్లో సరే జైల్లో అడిగాడండి క్వశ్చన్ సింపుల్. The solution of x dx plus y dy is equal to a square into x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square is first option x square plus y square is equal to 2a square tan inverse y by x plus c. Y by x plus c. Second option x square plus y square is equal to 2a square tan inverse x by y plus c. And the third option x square plus y square plus 2a square tan inverse y by x is equal to c. And the fourth option x square plus y square plus 2a square tan inverse x by y is equal to c. Okay, direct formula అండి tan inverse x by y na y by x ఏం చెప్పండి x dx plus y dy is equal to a
Y
square.
by X.
This is d of y by sorry.
X.
Yes.
Tan inverse of Y by
Tan
X.
inverse tan inverse tan inverse
Y by
గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ x వస్తుందంటే డినామినేటర్ లో కంపల్సరీ
Y.
x ఉండాలి ఓకేనా tan d of tan inverse
Y by X.
y by x. Okay, now integration on both sides we get x square by 2 plus y square by 2 is equal to a square tan inverse y by x plus arbitrary constant c. So x square plus y square is equal to 2a square into tan inverse y by x. Y by x plus c. This is the first option is the right option. Okay.
Fourth option కూడా correct option. Fourth option కూడా.
Fourth option minus కాబట్టి okay.
Fourth option కూడా correct option.
Okay అండి అవును fourth option కూడా కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా ఇక్కడ
There x by y is there.
x by y అంటే మైనస్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు y by x అవుతుంది అన్న ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీసాం అనుకోండి అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది y dx minus x dy by x square plus y square that is tan inverse x by y మైనస్ అన్నప్పుడు ఓకే అంటే ఇది మిస్టేక్ అవ్వచ్చు జేలో ఉందండి మీరు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లో కూడా మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది సేమ్ యాజ్ దీస్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఇది ఓకేనా ఇది ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ మెథడ్ అండి ఇంకా కొన్ని మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఓకే మెథడ్స్ నాగే సార్ నో ఓకే ఐ యామ్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ అనదర్ మెథడ్ ఇక్కడ వరకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి
ఓకే సార్
ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ మెథడ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకో మెథడ్స్ హోమోజీనియస్ అండ్ y కామన్ x కామన్ టర్మ్స్ ఉంటాయి విల్ కంటిన్యూ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ షల్ ఐ గో సర్
ఓకే సార్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ సార్
ఓకే సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
ఓకే సార్